This will be a quick video on how to remove a dent from your car using a soccer ball and an air pump. I got hit by a deer the other day, and this part of my fender right here all went in about 2 inches beyond the door. So I took the wheel off, took the inner fender well off, used the soccer ball, put it up behind here, pumped it up, popped it back out, and I'll show you how I did it. I got to take the skirt off. So I took these two bolts out, and then all these screws here that go along the bottom of this piece. And now I'll try to take this off. So I use this tool right here to pry at this corner, and then work my way down, pull it up. I don't want to ruin anything because I'm reusing it. Pull it out as I go. There we go, finally. Alright, now I gotta see what I can do with this thing. Oh yeah. I got that out. I need to get this. It's almost there. There we go. I'll let that deflate and see what happens. Another little over a quarter inch to go. I need to go past. That's a little bit past. A little bit more. Oh, not much more. About right there. Let that bleed down and see what happens. Move the ball down a little bit more. Pump it up. Go past it a little bit. It's probably about 3/8 past it. Let's see what that does. Flush up here, it's a little bit past right here. It's about even now. just an old piece of junk soccer ball I use that my dog chewed on with this air pump.